Hi, today I want us to practice a basic and introductory topic together. Actually, I want us to focus on hand pressure. I know that with different tools or pencils we can create greater darkness, but I want you to understand light, medium, and heavy pressure by using a single pencil to create three levels of shading. Okay, score number one is for light shading. Try to shade this one by one square using light but consistent pressure. Your first attempt might not give you an even shade, and the pressure of your hand might not stable, but that's okay. With a little practice, you will be able to control your hand pressure and keep it consistent. Pay attention to my hand movements. I try to apply my pencil in circular or oval motions. If necessary, I sometimes use hatching, but less often, because I don't want the line marks going in one direction to draw the viewer's attention. Later, we'll talk about different shading techniques. For now, let's stay focused on the main point and concentrate on our hand pressure. Okay, let's move on to score number 2. Now you should try to apply normal proper pressure, neither light or heavy. Just hold the pencil comfortably and take full control of its weight. Shade the paper in a way that if you applied the same pressure on your skin, you would feel it strongly, but it wouldn't be painful or unbearable. Compared to score number 1, if you tried this on your skin, the pressure should be just enough to create a tickle sensation. And now score number 3. Since we agreed not to change our pencil, how we achieve a darker shade? Increase your hand pressure slightly enough that the pencil tip doesn't break and paper isn't damaged, but definitely more than in the previous two squares. Another useful tip is to hold your pencil almost vertically without tilting it too much so it can feel the paper's texture more effectively. You can also shade from different directions to darken all the gaps in the paper's surface. Now let's combine all three squares to create a continuous tonal gradient, shading from the darkest area to the lightest. You can use different techniques in this step. I'll demonstrate a few for you, but as I mentioned, we'll cover these techniques in detail in a separate video. For example, you can use directional lines, especially for the lightest areas. The key point in this gradient is that after practicing the exercise we did earlier, you should test yourself with this method to see if your hand pressure is well controlled. You need to be able to apply light, medium, and heavy pressure correctly, and also bridge between them, creating smooth transitions with intermediate pressure. I hope this video was helpful for you and that you enjoyed it. If you'd like to support me, you can click on like and subscribe button and leave me a comment. I'll do my best to fill this channel with content so it feels like a complete course. See you soon. Bye for now.